I've been loving you too long to stop now. You are tired and you want to be free. My love is growing stronger as you become a habit to me. Ooh, I'm loving you too long. I don't want to stop now. Oh. With you, my life has been so wonderful. I can't stop now. You're tired, and your love is growing cold. My love is growing stronger as our affair grow old. I've been loving you oh too long to stop